Welcome, scientists. It's Miss Gisa, and today's story is called Up, Down, and Around. Written by Katherine Ayres and illustrated by Nadine Bernard Westcott. In the dirt, we'll dig a row, drop some seeds, and watch them grow. Corn grows up, carrots grow down. Cucumbers climb around and around. Peppers grow up, potatoes grow down. Broccoli grows up, beets grow down. Green beans wind around and around. Okra grows up, onions grow down. Tomatoes twine around and around. Fresh and tasty, get a bunch. Pick some, pull some. Let's have lunch. Let's go take a look at how our fruits and vegetables are growing outside.
So let's take a look at the things we've planted and decide if the plants are growing vegetables or fruits above ground or underground, or are they like the story we read where they're growing around and around? So here you can see our lettuce and it's looking really great. The lettuce leaves are growing above ground, and so is our parsley, our herb. And if you look over here, these are cucumbers, and it's a vine, so it's growing out on top of the soil and kind of twisting around. Okay, I'm just looking for those little inchworms because I see my basil's getting eaten again. So I just want to take a quick look. But this is oregano, which is doing really well. Our basil, our Thai basil, our sage, and our mint. And all of these herbs, what do you think? Are they growing underground or above ground? So the leaves are the part of the lettuce and also the herbs that we eat. So it's above ground. So root vegetables have leaves above ground, but the vegetable, like the carrot or the potatoes, are actually growing under the ground. We haven't planted potatoes or carrots yet, but we can try some of those at some point this year. All right, little gardeners, let's take a look here. This is really exciting. Our pepper is getting really big. This is our red bell pepper. And now, is the pepper growing underground or above ground? This is easy. Yeah, it's above ground. It's getting big. And look here. This is the first time I'm discovering that there's a pepper growing here, a different type of pepper. I think this is one of our hot and spicy peppers. And I'm hoping that more fruit will come from these flowers, these little buds. But we shall see. We at least have one on this plant, and look at how tall it's gotten. So other plants that wind around are beans. These are going to be string beans, and you can see that they've started to have little buds here. And look at how tall and how many more leaves there are since the first time we planted this. If you look right next to it, here are some more winding vines. These are cucumbers, and hopefully will grow into cucumbers. You can see they're flowering now. We've got a lot of flowers, but do you see how they're winding around? And there are more all along here. And look at the leaves are getting so big. So hopefully, and we've got some flowers in there, so hopefully those will grow. And then another bean plant that will eventually wind. We're gonna need to probably put some thin bamboo for it, like a little trellis for it to grow up. All right, thanks for checking in on the garden. Let me know if you have any plants that you have at home that you're growing, and
let me know if they're growing above or underground. Remember to support our channel by liking and subscribing.